Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you want to know how I make these hot dog buns, stay tuned to this video and enjoy the gist inside this video. You are going to like it, I know. Thank you for coming. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion sweethome. If today is your first time coming across this beautiful channel, you are highly welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my hot dog buns. Hot dog buns. I hope you guys know that song, hot dog buns. So guys, let's go ahead by introducing the ingredients. All you need in these snacks is your all-purpose flour, your warm water, not hot, not cold, just warm water, and you need 1 egg. How many egg you want to use, but I use 1 egg here. You need your baking powder, you need your nutmeg, and your sugar. Sugar or sugar? Sugar, all of them correct. Forget now English, learn English. Now people when don't poach later they know say they not sabi speak. Later they'll say they want to speak their father language, say English not be their fatherland. Forget it. Now then if you follow them go interview now, you know if you speak English well, they're gonna laugh you for back. English will help you, my sisters. Learn now. If I say you not sabi, they learn. You go sabi and it go help you. English not tire once you sabi speak, and if you sabi I go to sweet you for body. This will not be poaching, no. So you not mind me. So sugar and your turmeric pepper and any ground oil of your choice. You can use any ground oil of your choice because I'm going to be using my leftover groundnut oil which I used to fry turkey. So that is it for these ingredients. So simple and good. I love it because especially with that hot dog, I love it. So stay tuned to this video and make sure you enjoy the rest of this video. In case you dey imagine how English will help person, I dey always discuss that one for my live stream. Come hear more of this gist, how English will help you, things when English will help you, and things when English will still bring you down. So learn English, learn now. Although I know they do live stream since then because I did busy well, but now I will be coming out once. Always, if there is any question and if you disagree with anything I do, please feel free to keep it at the comment section for me. Just keep it, not leave it, keep it. So if you love this video as well, that means agree. So please rate me by hitting that like. Hit it as much as you can if it will. So stay tuned to this video. Thank you for coming. So I will be putting onions. You can see onions is here already because I love onions in some of my snacks like these buns and some other snacks like that. I love onions flavor. Keep on watching, and if you have not tried it with these onions, try it. You will enjoy it. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video with love, peace. I love you all guys, and the video is almost like, the video is not long. So if you enjoy watching this video and you love what you see, please don't hold a thumbs up. Please free that thumbs up like a bird. That is my logo when I was doing live streaming. Free that thumbs up like a bird. Just hit that like button for me. Hit it for me as far you love the video. So I will appreciate it. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. And without taking much time, I hope to see you guys in my next video. And always stay safe. Stay safe. Bye bye. If you have not yet subscribed, please, oh please, I will not forget that one. Please subscribe to my channel.